Welcome to Brainy Kids. Get ready to test your knowledge with fun and tricky questions. Let's get started with 3 simple rules. Space debris is becoming a major problem for space missions. Earth's orbit is filled with human-made junk, including dead satellites, rocket fragments, and broken spacecraft parts. But space debris isn't just man-made. Asteroids and meteoroids also pose serious risks to satellites, space stations, and astronauts. These objects move at incredible speeds, and even a tiny fragment can cause catastrophic damage. Scientists track thousands of debris pieces, but many smaller objects remain undetected. With new technology like laser removal systems and asteroid deflection missions, can we clean up our orbital junkyard before it's too late? True or false? Space debris consists only of human-made objects like dead satellites and rocket parts. False. Space debris includes both human-made and natural objects. Asteroids, meteoroids, and micrometeoroids also pose risks to spacecraft. Which of the following is not considered space debris? An asteroid traveling toward Earth. Fill in the blank. Space debris includes both human-made objects and blank debris from asteroids and meteoroids. Natural debris. Fill in the blank. The process in which space debris collisions create more fragments is known as the blank syndrome. Kessler syndrome. Why is space debris dangerous to astronauts and satellites? It moves extremely fast and can cause serious damage. Fill in the blank. Scientists use blank to track space debris and predict possible collisions. Radar systems. True or false? Even a tiny piece of space debris can severely damage a satellite or spacecraft. True. Fill in the blank. A retired satellite that no longer functions is considered blank space debris. Inactive space debris. What is the most common way scientists track space debris? Using powerful telescopes and radar systems. Fill in the blank. Space debris travels at speeds of up to blank, making even small fragments dangerous. – 28,000 kilometers per hour. True or false? The Kessler syndrome describes a scenario where space debris collisions create more debris, making Earth's orbit hazardous. True. Fill in the blank. A space station performs blank maneuvers to avoid collisions with track space debris. Debris avoidance. What is one proposed method to remove space debris? Using laser beams to push debris into Earth's atmosphere. Fill in the blank. Natural debris, like asteroids and meteoroids, originates from blank. From interstellar space. Fill in the blank. The International Space Station is at risk of being hit by debris in blank orbit. Low Earth orbit. What do you think is a bigger threat? Human-made space debris or natural debris like asteroids and meteoroids? Both human-made and natural debris pose unique threats to space missions. Human-made debris is dangerous because it remains trapped in Earth's orbit, creating collision risks for satellites, space stations, and astronauts. Natural debris, such as asteroids and meteoroids, can strike Earth, spacecraft, or planetary surfaces, sometimes causing massive destruction. Many scientists believe that human-made debris is a more immediate problem for space travel, while asteroid impacts are rarer but potentially catastrophic. True or false? The majority of space debris is found in low Earth orbit, LEO. True. Which orbital zone is the most affected by space debris? Low Earth orbit, LEO. Fill in the blank. The International Space Station is at risk of being hit by debris in blank orbit. Low Earth. If a piece of debris travels at 25,000 kilometers per hour, how long would it take to cover 100,000 kilometers? To calculate time, we use the formula. Time equals distance divided by speed. The debris travels at 25,000 kilometers per hour, and we want to know how long it takes to cover 100,000 kilometers. Dividing 100,000 by 25,000 gives us 4 hours. That means the debris would take 4 hours to travel 100,000 kilometers, demonstrating how fast objects move in orbit. What is the main danger of micrometeoroids? They move at extreme speeds and can damage spacecraft. If a satellite moves at 7.8 kilometers per second in low Earth orbit for 24 hours, how far will it travel? To calculate distance, we use the formula. Distance equals speed multiplied by time. The satellite travels at 7.8 kilometers per second, and we want to calculate how far it moves in 24 hours. First, we convert 24 hours to seconds. 24 multiplied by 3,600 equal 86,400 seconds. Then, multiplying 7.8 kilometers per second by 86,400 seconds, we get 673,920 kilometers. That means the satellite will travel nearly 674,000 kilometers in a single day of orbit. True or false? Natural debris, like meteoroids, poses no threat to satellites or space stations. False. Natural debris, such as meteoroids, can cause damage to satellites or puncture spacecraft due to their high velocities. Fill in the blank. The most common material found in human-made space debris is blank. Aluminum. What is one-way space agencies protect satellites from debris? Installing shields to absorb impacts. Fill in the blank. The Kessler syndrome becomes more likely as the density of debris in orbit blank. Increases. True or false? Most space debris will naturally fall back to Earth within a few years. True. blank. Rocket launches leave behind blank as one of the main contributors to space debris. Booster stages. What does the DART mission aim to do? Remove space debris from low Earth orbit. If a meteoroid travels 900,000 kilometers in 10 hours, what is its speed in kilometers per hour? To calculate speed, we use the formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. The meteoroid covers 900,000 kilometers in 10 hours. So dividing 900,000 by 10 gives us a speed of 90,000 kilometers per hour. This demonstrates how fast natural debris moves through space, posing significant risks to satellites and spacecraft. How did you do? Tell us in the comments below. And thanks for watching Brainy Kids. We hope you had fun learning today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new quiz. See you next time, Brainy Friends.